Hey everybody, it's Zach with Wilcox Nursery here to help you plant in real Florida. And today we're looking at a brand new product we're carrying in the nursery called Comand Scape Soils. What this is a professionally blended soil, sustainably sourced for an eco-friendly garden and yard, ideal for water holding capacity, pH balance, formulated by experts. It's really just the perfect soil that we can introduce into our landscapes. It provides plants with the ideal physical environment. What that means is it's got nutrients in it, nitrogen most specifically, in a large format molecule. So it prevents runoff, leaching into the soils, into our waterways, which is really important. That's a big problem. And also in that perfect environment, we have mycorrhizae fungal matter in here. What that does, it helps plants uptake water and nutrients more efficiently. Very important. It's missing in most of our void, white, sandy, gray Florida soils that just are lifeless. So this is really important to introduce. It's well draining. It is suitable for flowers, vegetables, trees, shrubs, grass even. You can use it in place of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. And it's derived from proprietary compost process. So it goes through a composting process to really bolster a life-full soil here for our landscapes. Today we're going to walk you through a couple methods of how we could do this, but you can do it in a brand new landscape before the plants go in the ground. Just use it as a topsoil over the top. You can also use it in an existing landscape during a remulch. So that's one thing we're going to do today, is sprinkle it through this bed before we do a remulching later on. And we're also today going to look at how we can use this in the grass, the turf area, as a nitrogen alternative. So a much more sustainable and eco-friendly source of that nitrogen for the soils. So we're going to walk through that just now. What I'm going to do now, I've got it spread. I went inside the plants, got in around them. Don't be worried to really do it up here, because we're going to go through now, rake it in. I like to flip the rake from typical rake side to upside down, just to kind of smooth things out, not grab any of the organic matter down there. And we're also going to use it to just kind of bump the some of the particles off the plants. All right, so now we have sprinkled the topsoil, Comand Life Soil, through this area of the landscape. I got the rest of the landscape to do, but this area is ready for mulching. That's all we had to do. Spread it, dump it out, give it a little spread into the landscape, just kind of even it out a little bit, and then you can mulch, and you know your soil is now working for you, working for your plants. It's safe and friendly, and we hope to get a whole lot of blooms and a lot of life out of this now. All right, the next application method we're going to do with this is to apply the soil directly into a turf landscape. This is a great substitute or sustainable alternative to synthetic fertilizers. Again, this packs a nitrogen molecule that is up to 160 atoms, gets stuck in the soil, doesn't leach, doesn't run off, versus synthetic soils that have a atom or a molecule of 5 to 6 atoms that can easily leach through to the lower soil horizons or run off into waterways. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle this through the yard, and then we're going to rake it in. So let's go. All right, so I've got this area kind of raked up to a finished state here. So you're still going to see some of that soil on the surface. That's fine. Going to get watered in after a few waters. It's kind of going to fall below, and also the grasses can grow up between it. So make sure you have a water handy. It's a little bit more manual labor than just putting down regular fertilizer, but the benefits are going to far outweigh anything else you could do. So we're looking forward to this. Remember, you can do this yourself, or you can call us and we'll help you make this happen. All right, everybody, let Florida thrive.